Good morning all of you. This is the first class of this session, subject science, chapter number 1, human body and circulatory system. So first of all, we have to know that what is an organ systems. Before we start the chapter, we have to know what is an organ system. So many organs works together in coordination to carry out a particular functions forms an organ systems. There are different types of organ systems such as circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system, respiratory system, digestive system, muscular system, reproductive system and excretory system. But here we have to read only about the circulatory system. Okay, so let's begin. Now, what is a circulatory system? What is a circulatory system? The heart, blood and blood vessels forms an organ system called circulatory system. This is known as circulatory system. And this here the heart. What is an heart? The heart is a muscular organ found slightly towards the left side in the chest. It has 4 chambers. How many chambers it has? It has 4 chambers. 2 in the upper part and 2 in the lower part. Okay, here this one is right, this one is left. So how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. So there are 4 parts of our heart have 4 chambers. There are 4 chambers our heart have. Now we will move to second point, that is blood. So what is a blood? Blood is a red colored fluid that flows through our blood vessel from heart to all parts of the body and then back to the heart. So what this blood do in our body? The function of the blood. Blood carries nutrients absorbed from food, oxygen, carbon dioxide and waste water inside the body. It also transports the waste products produced by the excretory system so that they can be removed from the body. Blood also controls the body temperature. So our body's temperature is controlled by this blood only. And this blood travels in our body through blood vessels. They are very thin like structures. Thin tube through which blood travels through our body. There are different types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, capillaries. So what is the function of circulatory system? What is the function of circulatory system? To carry nutrients absorbed from food to all parts of the body, to carry oxygen from the lungs to other part of the body, to carry carbon dioxide from all cells of the body to the lungs, and to carry waste products to the excretory organs so that they can be removed from the body. Now the process of circulations. In circulatory system, the impure blood from different parts of the body is collected to the heart and then transport pure blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. Okay, next day we will conclude the chapter. Thank you.